Hi guys, I've got a bit of a bad news. I've got COVID. Well, I'm wearing a mask. I'm in my backyard because I don't want my succulents to get COVID. This morning, I spent a couple of hours looking for a plant called Echeveria Love Me because I need some loving in my life at the moment. So anyway, the past 4 days, I've been really crook. That means, that's what we say if you're sick here in Australia. And so I've been coughing and aching all over. And what is that one? That's Brunty eye. So I was runny nose and headaches. And I still got this pain on my shoulder, on my left shoulder right now. It looks like someone just hit me on the back. Hang on, I'm just looking at this because it might be some root rotting going on. So this is Echeveria brandtii. So there is some soft leaves at the back, so I need to remove this. So anyway, so on the 12th of January we had one of the daughter's birthday, and so we attended the birthday and I cooked their favorite pancit, or there's a Filipino rice noodles. So I actually cook a big batch because the grandchildren love them. And then, oh, some moth just flew away. And so the order of the grandchildren was that to bring enough for dinner, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and breakfast again. So they just love it that much. And she's good enough. Echeveria Branti are beautiful. Look at the color. I'll put that back. So anyway, I spent this morning looking for my Love Me. Yeah, so let me go back to finish my COVID story. So anyway, so on the 12th, I had kissy, cuddle with the children and the grandchildren. And then anyway, on the 15th, I went and bought some plants from someone. And then private collector, and of course we still wear masks, and you sort of still when you're out in public nowadays, you really have to be staying away from other people, which I did. That's my normal routine. But it's just that on the kids' birthday, because they're kids and they're children, of course you cannot not touch them. See, so that's the only close human contact I had. And my husband's had a test on the 15th, on the 14th, and he's negative, and I did not have a test because, well, there's a reason. As later on you will find out why he had the test and I did not. But anyway, so on the 15th is the last person contact I had with someone. So since the 15th of this month, I haven't been out at all. So I just been isolating, and on the 17th I made a video of how I have to slow down a bit because it's just getting too much. It's too much for me because I'm sick. So I thought I'd just put it down to Mayugiran. Echeveria Mayugiran. I just put it down to being run down. Oh, look at how beautiful that plant is. It is gorgeous. So there's one here that looks similar. So this one is a jade point. So there's two. One is a jade point. I can't even tell. It's a little bit pointier than the other one. Jade point. Mayugiran. But you can see the difference of the color. So Mayugiran is much prettier. And anyway, so I've been sick since the 17th. I did the video. On the 18th, I woke up and I was really sick. I was like sore all over and aching. So that was on the 18th, 19th, 20th, 21. So now I'm feeling a bit better, and I've just taken some pain medication, no flu medication or anything like that, and the usual honey and lemon and whatever, and soup, congee, lugaw we call it in the Philippines, crab and corn soup special, Lizk way. Now anyway, where am I going? I still couldn't find my Echeveria Love Me. So anyway, today I finally took the test. Now I only have, I don't know, another few more days. What's today? Today is Friday, Saturday. Oh, I only got a day. Because no, apparently you're supposed to isolate for a week, and it'll be a week. Actually, oh my God, how time flies. Wasn't even aware of that. Now, oh, that's still vacant. I have to put something in there. I can't let that happen. At the moment, I'm still not feeling well. It actually hit me bad. The kids were asymptomatic, but there was a reason why they have to have tested, because one of the daughter works at a medical facility. So she has to have regular tests. Now, this is one of my who's seriously ill. So this one's got COVID too. Did you have COVID? So anyway, this one I have to isolate this one now. You have to be in 7 days isolation. So I don't know whether I've got Delta or Omicron. I think it must be Omicron, because I did not have difficulty breathing, like supposed to affect your lungs. I didn't have that. Yeah, but okay, enough about that now. Let's go shift to succulents with COVID. So this one, this Romeo, I'm going to talk to you about. This is just going to be a quick video because I'm going to be tired soon. So that means I can't do a more video again. So I really have to rest. But anyway, this one now, Echeveria Romeo. Of all the Romeos, my Romeos there, well, apart from this one here, this is a Sirius, not a Romeo. Okay, so again, this one, see, look at that rotting. Just remove it. Like it's, some people get upset with, I think, with me, why I am so casual when I see my plants sick like this. I look at it the same thing as life. If you're sick and you become miserable, you're just going to get sicker. So might as well be happy. You know, try and be as happy as you can be, because your body is able to fight better if you're happy, whatever is up. What do you call that? Happy, oh, I don't know now, hormones or things like that. Now this one, so this is not going to grow anyway. So hang on, wait a minute. So serious. You're seriously ill. Yep, it's all black in the bottom. Okay, so if that's black, scrape it. I can't even smell it because I got a mask. Anyway, so that's, open it up, remove that. Now, it's just so much rain. And do that. There you go. And we scrape that off. Okay, now hopefully, see, it's all black. So the minute the tip is black, there's no saving it. But anyway, we'll just pretend or just be hopeful that it will. So any black like that, there's no point. I'm just gonna rot. And see, that's it. This is a goner, but it's a good thing I haven't got Sirius, but I got a lot of Romeo babies. When I usually have some fungus like this is like powdery mildew or mold, or I don't know what you call this. But anyway, there's been a lot of this going on lately because of the weather. And this one, I have isolated this one because I was trying to save the flower stalk, which I cross-pollinated with another plant. And so I really want to save this Romeo. And what happened is it's out there being rained on, and it started developing this fungus. And I did not spray this with my methyl. I left it because I really want to see what would happen if I don't spray it with the methyl. So as I find where I have this one, I kept it here along with the other ones here. And now it also affected my Laui and all the plants that's in here, my exotic and also my Lilacina. So they do spread, and also because it gets wet and there's a lot of air circulation, but it's still sort of covered, and we haven't seen the sun for a long time. So they haven't seen the sun for a long time. So now what happens is they become sick. You can see that that's etiolated, that's sort of leggy compared to my other Romeo. Let's go compare. So this Romeo here, well, it's just being out here. And then now look at the difference. They're the same age and same size, but one is like etiolated. So if I do flat, don't go too close, or else you have to keep a certain distance apart, or else you're gonna get succulent COVID. Now see the difference? So one is like sort of more compact than the other. Okay, that's long enough. Don't want you too much exposure. Now, by the way, this one, it had a little bit of fungus before in this area, and it did not have this. I think one leaf or something had a little bit of fungus in it. So I sprayed the whole plant and it did not get affected. The fungus just died. And this Romeo now, I intentionally didn't spray this because I just want to see what would happen if it's able to fight it off. So far, it has actually gotten better because when I got it before, it was rotting. So the leaves in the bottom was rotting. So I removed a couple of the rotting leaves. And so now it stopped its rotting because I put it somewhere where it's not getting rained on. But the fungus is still there. So now that it's already lived its life with the fungus, and I can see the new growth also got fungus in it. So it's really time to spray this with my metho. So now we spray all the pot. There you go. And hang on, did I miss a spot? Center. And that's it. And I'll spray the rest of the gang here. The one that's badly hit is probably this exotic, but it doesn't matter. I got so much exotic, it's just that I'm just testing this. This is my test area. And the Lawi and my super balm. Okay. They also have COVID. This is the COVID succulent. My succulents got COVID in here. Okay. So I'm just gonna see if this one, see look, this is what happens with the fungus that was infected this Capri. I think you're a Capri. Are you a Capri? Yes. So it infected the Capri before and I sprayed it with my metho. You can see those scars there. Those are the scars. But the center now, the new growth is all beautiful and perfect. So the same will happen to the Romeo, and when it dries up, it will also show some scars, battle scars, I reckon, and that will toughen it up. But the Lawi before, well, I sprayed the Lawi. It didn't have fungus in the first place, so I'm assuming now that Lawi will exhibit the same symptoms or effect or result like this Capri here. This is a linguist. It was just out there and I was afraid that it's gonna get some succulent COVID. So I took it out here. No, it wasn't coloring up. It was below the shelves. So, and also I've got neighbors here on both sides. That's why I need to keep my mask on just in case when I'm talking my COVID gets carried in the air and spread all around the neighborhood. We can't have that. So that's it, guys. That's all I've got. Keep away from... Well, anyway, you know the drill. I don't have to tell you. You're all COVID aware. What to do and what not to do. And this one now, I'm going to put you back here. And so if I'm slow again in doing my videos, you would understand. I'm sure you know the reason why. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now. Oh, you are so beautiful. Look at this. Is that called lobster flower in it? Beautiful. Oh, but it's got that really strong, strong smell. Finally found a plant to put in there, but I have to repot it. So this is a morning beauty. That's not a Lilacina. That's a morning beauty. Now, can I call that a monstrous morning beauty? Hello, baby Pippi. Mommy's got a mouse. Hello. Where's Mommy? Bring it down. Bring it down. Where's Mommy, baby P? Hey, baby Pippi, where's Mommy? Where's Mommy? You don't like that. You've given up. You give up so easily. Hey? Oh, okay. That's it, baby bird. Oh, okay. Mommy's gonna take it up. Okay, peekaboo.